Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's show, I'm going to teach you how to remove pet hair from a car the quick and easy way. Now, a lot of my viewers have asked me how to remove pet hair from a car because we all love our furry little friends. This is my own little dog, Mia. And today I'm going to give you pro tips to do it quickly and easily and do it the right way. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. I hope you're having a great day. So as I said, today I'll be giving you some pro tips on how to quickly and easily remove pet hair from your car, whether it be in your carpets, in your floor mats, even in your headliner or on your fabric seats and upholstery. Because as we all know, just using a plain old vacuum isn't enough because often the pet hair gets embedded into the fabrics and into the floor mats because those fibers are quite dense. So what do you need other than your vacuum? Well, you'll need one small piece of item or equipment that's very, very simple to use and is very inexpensive, and that's a pet hair detailer brush like the mini pet hair detailer brush from Lilly Brush. By the way, a big shout out to Lilly Brush for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. And I'll even drop the link to the pet hair brush in the description down below for you guys to check it out. But essentially, well, as you can tell, it's very simple. It's smaller than my hand, so it's very compact. You can even leave it in your glove box. And if we have a closer look, what makes this item or this piece of equipment really cool is that it has rubberized edges. So you'll never damage your interior moldings, plastics, trim, and even chrome. So this is very safe and it is very effective. I've used many brushes in the past, and since I've had this one, well, it took #1 place in my detailing arsenal for pet hair removal because it's very compact, it's very inexpensive, it's very well made, and well, it gets the job done. So stay tuned for more detailing tips at the end of this video, but let's go ahead with the steps that you'll need. Well, #1, go ahead and thoroughly vacuum the area with your vacuum, so that will help to remove the bulk of the pet hair. #2, use any part of the rubber blade to briskly sweep and drag all the pet hair into a pile to be vacuumed up. Use short, quick strokes from varying directions to help loosen stubbornly embedded pet hair. Occasionally, use a clean and damp towel to wipe accumulated dirt and dust from the blade to maintain its cleaning power. So once you're done accumulating all the pet hair in a nice little pile, thanks to your mini pet hair detailer brush, all that's left to do is to vacuum it up, and that's it, you're done. So that was very, very easy. But now for a quick pro tip. If you really have some deeply embedded pet hair deep into the fibers, what you'll want to use is a solution like this one that's very simple to make. All it contains is water and fabric softener. So yes, the same fabric softener you use for your clothes. You do a 1:7 dilution in a spray bottle. So that means 1 part of product or fabric softener to 7 parts of water. You mix it up. You generally spray this or mist this onto the surface or onto the fabric or carpet, and you let it dwell for roughly 2 minutes. And that way you're going to help loosen all the fibers up, and you're also going to eliminate the static charge or static cling. And this will help to relieve the fibers, to loosen them up, and make it a lot easier for you to pick up the pet hair using your pet hair brush. So you mist it on, you let it dwell for 2 minutes, and then you go ahead and you brush. And then you're done. All that's left to do is to vacuum. So guys, that's how you quickly and easily remove pet hair from your car. Once again, I'll leave the link to the mini pet hair detailer brush from Lilly Brush. I'll drop the link in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. If you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. Also, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button to show me your support, share it with your friends and family, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.